Namaste everyone. My name is Adinda and I'm making this video from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. And I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about my experience with Swasti Yoga Center. I am currently finishing my prenatal yoga teacher training. And for me, I was really looking for a training where I would not only learn the yoga poses, but also the female anatomy and what's happening in a woman's body every month of pregnancy. We have practical and theoretical classes in which we discuss all kinds of things like the female anatomy and the physiology, but also philosophy and lifestyle and diet. So it's really not only from a yogic perspective, but also from an Ayurvedic perspective. And recently I just gave my first prenatal yoga class. So if you want to learn all those things too, and also want to learn how to give your first prenatal yoga class, then make sure to join Swasti.